You guys have been asking for an all-wheel drive Kia sedan, and here it is, the brand new all-wheel drive K5. Hey guys, the first thing I want to show you on the outside is the brand new paint job. Kia Wolf Gray. Super nice, super sleek. Also, you're gonna have the Tiger Nose grille right up front, just like on every one of Kia's models. Brand new headlight for this model. You're gonna have the amber LED daytime running light. Looks really awesome when you're driving. Follow me to the back. All right guys, here we are at the back. Couple things I want to show you. The gloss black piano spoiler. Also, you're gonna have the GT line and the all-wheel drive badge because it is the all-wheel drive model. Very, very good in the snow. Last thing, we got the brake light that goes all the way through. Really cool. You know what else is cool? The inside. Here we are on the inside of the K5. Couple things I want to touch base on. The D-shaped leather-wrapped heated steering wheel. Super nice on the hands. You're gonna have the widescreen navigation system. Also, you'll have a wireless phone charger right in the center here. Heated seats, and obviously these awesome comfy red seats. Ton of stuff in here. You gotta come check out this K5 for yourself at Northtown Kia. Come check it out.